In all honesty, this is a recipe that my mom would make for us. And let me give you a little quick tip. This butternut squash not only is silky and smooth and adds a lovely richness to the dish, but it's also the color of the cheddar cheese I'm gonna use. So how's that for hiding veggies? For that creamy touch, just a little milk. And funny enough, my mom would not allow us into the kitchen until the butternut squash was melted and looked like cheesy sauce. Well, Mom, now I understand. And I like to add just a pinch of cayenne. Fresh thyme. And now it's time to have some fun with the cheese. I love using goat cheese because it has a really nice tang to it. But if you don't like goat cheese, you can use cream cheese as well. It'd be just as delicious. And now for the best part, the cheddar cheese. I say the sharper, the better. Let's get this even creamier. Okay, I have to actually show this to you. Look at the creaminess. And I like to get some extra water right into the sauce. Helps loosen everything up and make the sauce stick to the pasta. I mean, I don't know if you see this, but it is so creamy. There are 3 things that feed my soul. My family, of course, my cooking, of course, and making TV shows.